It's so weird. I feel like this is the first time I'm like actually filming with you guys actually knowing that I'm pregnant. It's been really, really hard, honestly, because for freaking multitude of reasons, but also just to like do this specific type of job. You're like kind of like sharing what you're up to, how you're feeling, and like I couldn't share like either of those things. And I was also just like going through it, as you kind of saw a little bit in the vlog. I uploaded a podcast last week called How I Found Out, and then like figuring it all out kind of thing. Kind of like first like initial thoughts, because there's just like so much. I mean, I didn't tell you guys for like over 4 months. The math is mathing on that. So anyway, I'm like really excited, but basically where I'm at right now is I have an eyelash in my eye. I'm just like figuring out, honestly, what the to do with myself. It's weird. Before, I used to work hard, play hard, and now it's like I'm trying to figure out like a new like balance, because it's like I don't play hard anymore. And it's not that I don't work hard, it's just like I don't have the same like bandwidth that I did. I saw this really good TikTok actually from Elise Myers, and she said that like being pregnant, giving 20% is like equivalent to being not pregnant and giving 100%. And so you just have to be okay with like your 20%. What's gonna keep me sane? New routines and self-care. And then now that I feel better physically, like I'm out of that first trimester sickness. I'm like cooking again, getting out of the house more. The weather's amazing in Chicago. So I'm definitely just feeling a lot better. I think also telling you guys that I'm pregnant helped so much more than you even realize. I just felt like I was in a constant state of hiding, even just like physically hiding in my apartment. And I don't feel like that anymore, which I think is like really good for me to kind of just like fully lean into my pregnancy. Whereas like I was more so just like focused on hiding it before. I knew that I could have hid it for longer, but I just didn't think it was healthy for me. And now you guys know why I actually got a car too, because obviously I didn't like technically need a car, but considering I'm gonna need a car seat and all that stuff, and like I have all these doctor's appointments and everything. And then when I vlog and stuff, like I get so out of breath, and I usually just edit around it. I went to Target and Whole Foods. So I got this dish, this like baking dish from Target, which I think is like so cute. And I'm gonna make a little olive oil cake with you guys. And then I also got these like Aquaphor hand masks. More deodorant, this Vaseline stick, because you guys know that I like putting it like under my eyes and on my lips. More Mighty Patches because my skin is not great. And then I got these Flamingo Dermaplane razors. Current Fixation bread, apparently it has less sugar, added sugar than Dave's bread, but we just honestly like it better. And I eat so many sandwiches or just like eggs and toast. I've also been addicted to these. These are like my treat. Oh my God, I'm like in an iced tea phase. Oh my God, you guys, this is just literally the best thing that ever happened to me. And then a bunch of lemons. Problem, I feel disgusting. Solution, get your ass up and get in the shower. Really quick, I'll just show you guys how I've been hiding stuff from you. I've been keeping stuff on this chair, and then I'll like move it if I have to like film from that way. I've been keeping the pregnancy pillow in the closet instead of like on the bed. And then this office is like literally a disaster that you guys never see, because I've just been like hiding different stuff. Baby Uggs in here, like a little newborn onesie, whole book drawer going on in here. This is really cute. Little Zara onesie that is like so freaking cute. Look at these little feetsies. And then look at how freaking cute these are. Little Zara newborn socks, all in like little neutral colors. Are you freaking kidding me? Shoving things in here so that I don't accidentally film anything. Okay, so I still like look like crap, but at least I like feel better. Ah, why do I look weird? I don't know the difference between baking soda and baking powder. It says use 2 large eggs, and I'm like, they're all the same size. We're gonna do lemon, olive oil, 2 potentially large eggs, flour. Here I zested a lemon with the lemon juice, some sugar, my little $1 find from Target. Okay, I'm putting this baby in the oven. The thing with baking is that it's science, not art. So this is literally either gonna be hit or miss. Olive oil cake is in the oven. I did a body shower. I've honestly only been washing my hair once a week. I feel like I had to like train it. You know how people always say like stop washing it so much? I was washing it so much before I was pregnant because I was working out so much. Now I'm not. I'll do like one big shower. I usually just use the detox shampoo, by the way, because it's kind of like my one big hair shower. And then in the meantime, I go in with my Way scalp serum. I feel like I'm also being really consistent with this because I know that that postpartum hair loss is a thing. And then on top of that, like I bleach my hair. Kind of got like really nervous at the beginning because I know I have so much hair and I would always use my serum, but now I'm like crazy about using my serum. But I don't really know if you can even be preventative with like postpartum because I feel like it's just like it just happens, but whatever. I just want to be one of those like glowing pregnant girlies, and like I don't know if that's in the cards for me. Putting in the hair serum with this little guy, such a game changer. I also feel like my hair gets so like sore like after I haven't washed it in a few days. Does anyone else feel like that? Oh my god, it feels so good. Oh my god, it feels so good. Go in, you can see like this is my absolute favorite, especially since this protects your heat up to 400 degrees, especially if I'm going over it with the Dyson. I'll just spray it in the ends and then kind of like restyle it, but I styled it for Easter, so this is more so like we're getting the frizz out, and my hair is just like so thick, like it's just gonna like absorb and have more of like a slicked, clean girl look as opposed to like frizzy pregnant disaster. Wow, look at her. She's not disgusting. My friend was making fun of me. She was like, why do every time I call you, you're like about to take like an hour-long shower? And I'm like, because you call me on Thursday mornings. I have my hair routine down to more of a science than any other routine in my life, thanks to the way. And if you guys want to get 15% off your entire order, and you know, spring cleaning isn't just about like your apartment, it's also about like healthy hair, healthy scalp, just like getting that hair ready for like a rockin' summer. Go to theway.com, that's the OUAI/Lauren Elizabeth, and you can get 15% off your entire order. And if you really want to feel like summer, throw in the body wash that they just came out with. It smells like absolute heaven. And you can see that that detox shampoo is keeping my hair like really anti-brassy because it's getting rid of all that hard water buildup. And then I'm only washing it once a week with the detox shampoo. So I'm not saying I'm a genius, but pretty close. This is the cleanser that I was telling you guys about, the body cleanser. It's called St. Bart's, and it's a really pretty packaging and it smells so good. I am having a baby girl, and they always, like the old wives' tale is that girls take your beauty because they need it. I don't know, like I'm breaking out, like I look disgusting, like maybe I am having, that was like the only time I ever thought like maybe I was having a girl because I just felt so ugly. And I know that that's a wives' tale, so I did wash my face in the shower, and so I think I'm just gonna do this for fun because why not? Around. Sometimes I get carried away and like I'll nick myself shaving. Then I'm gonna go in with this clarity serum, which I feel like is definitely gonna sting. It's really annoying because like most of my skin isn't that bad. It's really just this rash everywhere. Like this is all like a rash. And then I go in with this bounce back serum. I can feel that like my skin just like sucked it up, so it's good. Then since I did have like a lot of crap on my face over the weekend, I'm just gonna go in also with the Clear Stem Hydrating Moisturizer because I know that it's not gonna clog my pores, whereas sometimes I can get away with like a heavier cream. Here's two fun little things I've also been hiding from you guys. I got this nipple cream, this like nippy and lip cream for your nipples. If I see my nipples in the mirror, my jaw drops on the floor and I like cannot find it. And then this belly oil, I just got like the small one because my belly hasn't like been that big. I got it in like a first trimester package where like these came to like together, both from Hatch. And then I've also even kept in here super positive pregnancy test, which you can just see are like pink line. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I feel like I probably could have launched this whole line like sooner if it weren't for the fact that I've been sick per se, but we're getting really close to launching my home line, so I'll give you some updates the next time I have samples. I'm like absolutely addicted to the way this candle smells though. Like I have the sample in my office and I literally just like smell it all the time, and it's like so fragrant. It like the room, like the desk smells good when it's never even been lit. Okay, so I just took this out. It's really hot. I just burnt my finger, so that's fun. I'm just gonna let this cool for a while because now I'm scarred. I'm traumatized. But I mean, it looks cute and it was fun. It might taste like shit, but who knows? Current problem, besides not being able to get good lighting because the sun's setting. I had like, I don't know, 3 sandwiches for lunch at like 3 o'clock. So now it's like 7 and I'm like, I'm not hungry. I don't know, but we're gonna try the olive oil cake before we get into bed. So she looks cute. Okay, looks like olive oil cake. I mean, it's good. I think I need to put powdered sugar on top. Oh my God, how cute is that? I mean, cute. if you think about it, this is technically a really well-rounded dinner. So we're gonna go with that. Just filled up my canopy. I switched humidifiers because I couldn't deal with like the cleaning. It was making me gag of the other one. And this way I just know there's like no mold and it's just like pure. I like couldn't deal with the other one. And then I'm gonna set up my pregnancy pillow. I've also been hiding a lot of like prenatal stuff. So I've been trying to like not show you guys like the bottom, but now it's like whatever. So I'm gonna get ready for bed and get all cozy. I'll show you guys how I set it up. Other thing that I have that I've been doing because of my acne and stuff is the light mask. So I'll get my light mask out and then we got to get this thing underneath. So I haven't fully like figured out how I like sleeping with it, but it definitely helps a lot now that I have a small bump. And so I kind of like tuck it under there so I can still have like my pillow. I don't know, kind of like in my way, but helpful at the same time. So it's like I almost like tuck her in first, you know? I don't know. I literally feel like I'm just like starting to vlog again for the first time all year. And especially when I would like miss a week or something, I would want to be like, I just wish I could tell you guys what was going on. But I think if I've learned anything so far, it's that like taking time and space to process and not just be so reactive is like a game changer. It's helped me so much like in my relationships with my anxiety, giving yourself the time and space to like develop hindsight and not just like go, 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 go. Cause that's how it was my whole young adult life, was just go, 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 chaos, chaos, chaos. So I am glad that I kept it private for a while, but it is so refreshing to be able to just like bring you guys along now. So thanks for spending the evening with me. Every evening is so different. So it's not like necessarily a routine yet. I'm kind of still trying to figure out this balance of like my new life, especially like sharing it with you guys. Cause now I'm not just like hiding in my bed depressed. It's like, okay, like you can do things now, like you feel better and it's out. There's no more secret. So it's kind of crazy. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget, new podcast every Friday too, where I kind of talk more about like the mental health side of pregnancy and just kind of like everything going on in my life per usual. And I'm gonna read my book until my boyfriend gets home because I don't have any TV shows without him right now. And it's a recipe for disaster because I'm just like, he falls asleep early and is home from work the latest. And so it's like, I could be watching Chicago Fire right now, but I can't because he's not home. Yet I'm growing his child. Make it make sense? Make it make sense. See you later.